Get a look at this. If you got an old carbureted motor or even a newer fuel injected motor, this could wreak havoc. Do you want to say anything about cavitation? Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. We are working on this fuel system in this boat. It's a restoration project. We cleaned up the old fuel tank. We're reusing that. Had good vent line and fill hose. We put a new vent and fill on the outside of the boat. Give it a nice sharp look, and we're installing a water fuel separator and filter. What we discovered when we go through all this, if your hoses are corroded, anything like that, this is the perfect time to replace them when you're in the middle of your restoration. Get a look at this barbed fitting. It's an anti-siphon valve or anti-siphon fitting, but look at that corrosion on there. That corrosion has built up over time, maybe the last 20 years, because this boat's about 20 years old. And if we look inside, that could potentially get into your fuel system for your motor. If you got an old carbureted motor or even a newer fuel injected motor, this could wreak havoc. Don't reuse this. We're gonna order a new one. It's like a $5 to $10 part. We'll put this in the fuel system and get it ready to go for this brand new motor. We can't have any goof ups. This is the time to take care of this kind of stuff. Do you want to say anything about cavitation?
I was going to, but I didn't. It was. Will this create cavitation?
Not a chance.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Because stuff gets in the motor and then it weighs down the motor, lifts the front end. When the front end comes back down, the motor goes up and then it cavitates.
Completely wrong. Not applicable in this situation, but it was a good try.